Did you see that? With just a few simple steps, you can create a cinematic scene like this. Ready to dive into the world of Kaboom? Today we learn how to create jaw-dropping explosions and bring your projects to life. Trust me, this is going to one of the most exciting Blender tutorials you have ever seen. Hello my creative friends, we are Underground 3D, welcome to this video. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we are working with one of the coolest Blender add-ons ever, Kaboom. Well, turn this simple rectangle into a thrilling explosion in just a few clicks. By the way, I've shared this add-on for free on my Telegram channel. Feel free to download it from there. Or if you want to support the developers, you can get the official version from their site. It's totally up to you. First, let's make sure Kaboom is installed. So you must open Telegram desktop and join Telegram channel. You must install this file. You will install the file. You must drag this file in, for example, the desktop. So you now extract this file. Extract to, for example, desktop. Password is 6985. This password has a point. Who can tell me in the comment section? So extract. When you finish extract, now you have this add-on. So open Blender, go to edit, go to preference, go to add-ons and select install. And you must go to desktop, find this file, and select one of these version Addon. So when you select this version, you must select this option, ticks, for example. So now you must press N. This is the first step to starting today's expansion packed journey. This simple rectangle you see here is about to blow up into something spectacular. By the way, you are interested in the hammer I use in the animation, I shared the tutorial for in my channel. YouTube should be showing the link above now. Check it out. So for a start, select the rectangle and active Kaboom on it. For example, 1000. This add-on comes with tons of settings, letting you control the intensity of the explosion, the direction of debris, and the amount of smoke and spark. Play around with it. It's super fun. By adding keyframes to the hammer and baluster, you can control the timing of the explosion perfectly. We now just add keyframe. Press I. Select location, rotation, scale. For example, you can select 10 keyframes. Now you must add baluster. set passive object. You just have to play with the setting of this plugin to get the desired result. So you can apply these settings to make the smoke fully elastic. So, yes, it has become much more real now. For a more realistic outcome, to tweak the materials, lighting and background. This small adjustment can make a high difference to your final scene. So now it's time to render and see your amazing explosion in all its glory. Kaboom takes your work to the next level and leaves everyone speechless. So that's Kaboom. Grab the add-on for free from my Telegram channel or buy it from their official site to support the creators. It's truly an incredible tool. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Your feedback means the world to me. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.